Welcome to the Fizzy Show. I'm a pumpkin.
Me hearties, trick or treat.
Boo!
Huh? Oh, Phoebe, that wasn't very scary.
No, this is a disaster. It's Halloween and I don't have any Halloween decorations.
Decorations?
Bobby, I have an idea. I could use my Phoebe magic and make my own Halloween decorations.
Decorations!
Are you ready? Join in with me. 3, 2, 1. Phoebe, Weeby, Bo, Fizzy, Bop.
Oh, Phoebe, I heard the doorbell. Whoa, that's a lot of Play-Doh.
Oh, I was trying to make my own Halloween decorations, but it didn't work.
Oh, well, don't worry, Phoebe. We can just make our very own DIY Halloween decorations.
That's the best idea ever!
Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Witchy Hands. Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. Happy Halloween!
Boo!
Whoa, you almost got me, guys. Well, since you're already in the spirit, let's make a Play-Doh ghost.
Awesome sauce!
I'd better take my witchy fingers off. They're so long. Oh, and I'd better take my witch's hat off, too. Let's make our spooky little ghost. For this, we're going to take some white Play-Doh we have here. There we go. And let's flatten it down a bit. And next, we're going to add the eyes and the mouth. And there's the mouth, and he's going, ooh.
Whoa, that looks awesome!
Whoa, our table looks like a pumpkin.
Good spot, Phoebe. Let's make a pumpkin.
That is so cool.
Well, this should be easy to make. It's already in the round shape that we need. I might just give it a little smooth here and there. And I think we're ready to make the lines of the pumpkin. Here we go. And I'm turning it around just to make sure that I'm getting the lines equal. Now, what else? We need a stalk in the middle. We're going to take some green here. And I'm going to make a little dimple first, like that. And squash it down a bit. Now, we have a little bit of a leaf, first of all, in there. And just push that in. That's looking good. There's the hole for our stalk, which we're going to use this little piece of green for here. I'm going to give it a bit of a curve on the top. We have our pumpkin.
Yeah, this is so cool. Oh, look, a worm.
Oh, yeah. Good spot, Phoebe. This is because pumpkins grow in the ground in a pumpkin patch. And that means lots of insects love to eat them.
Yeah, well, pumpkins are really, really tasty.
Yeah. Oh, look, Phoebe. It's starting to get dark outside.
That means it's nearly trick-or-treat time.
It certainly does, Phoebe. We should keep on crafting. Oh, I have an idea of what to make next. We're gonna make a witch's hat.
What is it? What is it?
You'll find out soon, Phoebe.
Because Fizzy and Phoebe are super magical, we are going to make a witch's hat. Isn't that spooky? First, we're going to make the base. And next, we can make the pointy bit that goes on the top. can you remember the spell that Fizzy does? Maybe Fizzy can help us finish our hat.
I can! Let's do a bit of Fizzy magic. Join in with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Fizzy, Bop.
Whoa, Fizzy, this is the cutest little witch's hat. I love it. Our house is going to be so magical.
It sure is.
Oh, Miss Hands, can we make a black cat?
Oh, yeah, and a bat.
We sure can. So to make our lucky black cat, we have this cute little kitty cookie cutter. Isn't she sweet? I'm going to put her there and roll out our black Play-Doh. And we press really firmly. And there we have our little kitty. Let's give her some lovely sparkly green eyes. And just to finish it off, we put her pupils here.
Meow. I love her green eyes.
And I have another cookie cutter here. Can you guess what this is? Let's see, shall we? It's our bat. Let's add the eyes.
Ooh, they're really spooky.
I love them. I can't wait for Halloween now.
Oh, Fizzy, let's decorate the house before the trick-or-treaters come.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's put the bat on the yellow chair.
And the pumpkin can go on the green table.
The witch's hat can go on the orange table.
Oh, yeah. Oh, with the ghost next to it. And the kitty cat can be nice and comfy on the purple chair.
There's somebody at the door. Oh, 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 there's somebody at the door.
Hi, Fizzy.
Oh, hi, Bobby. Go straight through.
Trick or treat. Whoa! Whoa! This haunted house is very haunted. Come on, let's go trick or treaty. Me hearties.
We'll catch you up, Bobby.
We did it, Fizzy.
Happy Halloween, Phoebe.
Your best day ever.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day.
We will.
See you